Hello friends and welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video we're going to be making beans and fried plantain. So I'm starting off with my palm oil and I'm going to be frying my onions until it gets a bit transparent, and then I'm adding my stew base. I usually make this stew base to make my life easier. It's a combination of tin tomatoes, pepper mix, and of course some good frying, so that days like this I don't have to fry for too long before the sour taste from the tomatoes can go away. So I'm just letting this heat a little bit more, and then I'm just going to be adding just 2 cubes of seasoning, and then in goes my crayfish. It's good sometimes to fry your crayfish so that the flavor can be enhanced. And I'm adding my smoked panla. We do things on a budget here, and smoked panla is a lifesaver because I always prep my meals in advance. If you've not seen any of my meal prep videos, I'm going to be linking them in this video. I have one I made just beans, and I have one I made beans alongside other meals that I prep in advance to make my life easier, because I'm a busy mom and I have a full-time job. Managing a home with a full-time job, a busy schedule is not easy, guys. So these are the things I do to make my life easier. I like my beans to be very soft and then not dry. So yeah, I like to make it a bit watery, because at the end of the day, when it cools down, it's going to solidify. So when it's lighter, even if it solidifies, it's not going to get too strong, in my opinion. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Beans doesn't really require so many or too many ingredients, and beans is rich in protein, even though it has a lot of carbohydrate as well. But it's a good source of protein if you're looking for plant-based protein or cheap forms of proteins. It's also rich in fiber, and that makes your weight loss journey a lot easier. I'm going to be going in with my salt. Do you guys usually salt your plantain? Yeah, because some people say they don't salt plantain so I've not to increase the sodium level, whatever, but I salt it just a little bit to make it more appetizing to eat, and then I'm going to be frying this on medium low heat. And that's it, guys. My name is Oge and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. If you're new here, you're welcome. But if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your love and support. I truly appreciate you guys. My plantain is a little bit brown now, and I'm just going to be getting this off the heat, and then I'll be going in with our next batch of plantain, guys. If you're looking for a healthier way to eat plantains and to enjoy this yumminess of plantain without doing this junk part, which is the fried version, you can also grill it in the oven, and I'm going to be making a video to show that. In the meantime, I've not forgotten my beans, and I'm going to be stirring this to make sure that it doesn't burn, because when your beans burns, it can alter the taste and you won't like that. By the way, you saw the method I use for my beans. There are different methods I use for my beans, and in subsequent videos I'm going to be showing you all the other methods I use for cooking my beans. So back to my plantain. Another way to make this plantain is to either use your air fryer. You can use your air fryer to fry the plantain, or you can use your oven in your baking tray with, of course, your sheet. Sprinkled a little bit of oil, and then you're good to go. That way you reduce all the fat that comes with the oil consumption. And this is officially inviting you to join us for dinner, and I hope you like this video. If you do, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and then drop your comments below, share with your loved ones, and then subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.